Hello everyone. In this class we are going to discuss about the slide of a stomach. So there are different parts of stomach, that is the proximal end is the fundic body and the pyloric end of the stomach. So in this half which depicts the body and the fundic part of a stomach, okay, and this end it is the pyloric end of the stomach. So let's see what are the different features or identifying features we see in the stomach or the histological slide of a stomach. So again, like all the general layers of the GIT, that is the mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and the adventitia of the serosa will be there. In the mucosa, what we say, the lining epithelium. So lining epithelium of a stomach is by simple columnar epithelium. There are modification of this. Simple columnar epithelium will give rise to various glandular formation in this. So what we see, these are the glands. Within this gland, the proximal aspect, this is the pit. So this is the gastric pit, and followed by this is the gland of the lining epithelium. So what all are present in this? In the pit, it is lined by simple columnar epithelium, whereas within the gland, in the part of the neck and in the contact of that, there are different cells present in this. What are those? In the fundic part, especially fundic and the body part, those are the parietal cells. This darkly stained eosinophilic cell, also known as oxyntic cells, these secrete the gastric acid along with intrinsic factor. Okay, and some other cells are present here. Those are the basophilic, known as the chief cells. Okay, they secrete pepsinogen. So in this, the glandular part, the pits are shallow and the gland are deeper aspect. This feature is seen in the pyloric. Which part? It is seen in the fundic and the body part of the stomach. When we see the pyloric end of this, there are deep pits and a coiled tubular glands are seen. So there are no much different cells present here. These are mucus secreting glands. Vast majority of them are the mucus secreting glands, and the pits are deeper aspect. This was the lining epithelium of the stomach, followed by this lamina propria are covered with lot of deep glands. Okay, glands in the both all the parts of the stomach. Beyond that, this is the muscularis mucosa, then the submucosa filled with lots of blood vessels, lymphatics, then the muscularis externa. It contains, the stomach contains three layers: the innermost oblique layer, the middle circular layer, and the outer longitudinal layer. Okay, three layers are there: inner oblique, middle circular, and the outer longitudinal layer, followed by the serosa, because stomach is covered by the mesothelium, or also known as the visceral peritoneum. So it is covered by a serous membrane. So squamous epithelium will be lining this outermost aspect of the stomach. So this was the these are the identical features of the stomach. Thank you.